Welcome back to G Fun Facts Online, your favorite spot for the most mind-blowing insights. Today, we're diving into a piece of tech that's changing how we interact with the world, quite literally, without lifting a finger. Well, almost. It's called Capacitive Hover Touch technology. Sounds fancy, right? But imagine controlling your devices without ever physically touching the screen. We're talking more hygienic, super intuitive, and incredibly versatile interactions. In an age where seamless and safe is the name of the game, Hover Touch is stepping into the spotlight. So how does this magic work? Capacitive Hover Touch is like having a sixth sense for your gadgets. It detects your finger or a special stylus as it gets close to a sensor, even before you make contact. It does this by measuring tiny, almost imperceptible changes in something called capacitance. Think of it as the electrical field around an electrode. Thanks to some seriously advanced sensor designs and smart algorithms in touch controllers, these near touches, or hover gestures, are precisely detected and turned into commands for your device. It's not just a tap anymore, it's about the approach, the hover, the gesture in the air, and the advancements? They're coming in thick and fast. Manufacturers are rolling out touch panels with boosted sensitivity and accuracy. This means they can detect your hover gestures from further away and with better reliability. Think about waving your hand from a comfortable distance to scroll through a recipe while cooking. Plus, new materials are making it possible to create hover touch sensors that are flexible, even transparent. Imagine these seamlessly built into curved displays or almost any surface you can think of. And get this, artificial intelligence is making these interfaces even smarter. AI algorithms can learn your habits and preferences, leading to interactions that feel incredibly personal and almost predictive. It's like your device knows what you want to do before you even do it. Now, let's talk about where you'll see this game-changing tech. The applications are huge. In public spaces, think ATMs, ticket machines, interactive information kiosks. Hover Touch is a massive win for hygiene. No more touching screens thousands of others have touched. In our cars, Hover Touch could let drivers control infotainment systems with simple hand gestures, keeping eyes on the road and making driving safer. The medical field? In super sterile environments like hospitals, touchless interfaces are a dream for preventing cross-contamination. And in industry, where workers might have gloves on or dirty hands, Hover Touch offers a tough and reliable way to operate machinery. Of course, consumer electronics are getting in on the action too, adding a whole new layer of cool to how we use our smartphones, tablets, and smart home gadgets. But, like any awesome new tech, there are a few hurdles. Making sure Hover Touch works perfectly in all sorts of conditions, like high humidity or big temperature swings, is a big focus. And nobody wants their device doing things on its own, so preventing those annoying ghost touches or unwanted hovers requires some seriously clever sensor design and smart software. Cost can also be a factor for the most advanced systems, but don't worry, research is constantly making it more affordable and accessible. Looking ahead, the future for capacitive hover touch is incredibly bright. We're going to see sensors get even more accurate, responsive, and tough. And imagine this, Hover Touch combined with other cool tech like haptic feedback, where you can feel virtual buttons in midair, or gesture recognition and even augmented reality. We're talking about truly immersive and intuitive experiences. As we all increasingly look for touchless ways to interact, capacitive hover touch technology is set to be a major player in designing the next generation of how we connect with our machines. That's all the time we have for today on G Fun Facts Online. Pretty amazing stuff, right? The future is literally at our fingertips, or maybe just hovering slightly above them. Join us next time for more fascinating facts.